Hey buddy, Pete Meyer, Motor Age Magazine here, talking to you from my shop down here in sunny Central Florida, which I'm getting ready to leave, by the way, to head once again up to the cold north to hang out with the folks at TST up there in New York for another Motor Age TST webcast this Saturday, 6 p.m. Eastern, for you to attend. I hope you'll come. I'll tell you another reason I hope you'll come. The topic is the top 10 brake service and repair mistakes, and we're asking which ones are you guilty of. Well, you know, if you follow me on social media, you may know that my youngest son recently was involved in a pretty serious accident. Thank God he's okay, walked away from it. But his brakes failed as he was trying to make the stop at this intersection. You can even see it on the recorded video from a local business. Brake lights flash and then nobody's home, and he just falls blindly in the intersection and got center punched at over 60 miles an hour by another vehicle. Like I said, thank God he walked away. But you know, some of these mistakes that we're going to be talking about will directly affect the safety of the system. And as professionals, it's our responsibility to make sure that these systems are fully functional. Even if we just do a visual inspection every time that customer comes in the shop, this is a system that's just way too important to try to throw shortcuts out or beat time on, or you know, it has to be done right. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So I hope for that reason you will join G and I this Saturday at 6 to learn some of the more common mistakes that are being made and how to avoid them and how to keep them from happening in your shop. If you've got new techs in your shop, I strongly encourage them to view it, because a lot of these are mistakes that are made from inexperience. So again, look at the video description for the link to the registration page. It's free. It's going to be live at 6 p.m. Eastern, and of course you can review it as often as you like after the videos or the webinar is completed. So I hope to see you then, this Saturday, 6 o'clock Eastern.